Hello babies. Today we are going to learn phonics. Today we are going to learn the phonic sound a sound. See, we have a lot of friends today. They all are ready to learn phonics. See, here Emily is here. Hello Emily. Hi. And also I will show you, this is our friend Darkly. Hello Darkly. Hi. So we have a lot of friends today. So my dear children, let's learn a sound. A. See, here we can use a letter A with C. The letter C gives us the sound k. K. So CA we can get the sound K. K. And if it is adding with T, the sound is cat. Cat. Again say with me. Cat. K. Cat. K. Cat. K. Cat. K. Cat. Right. Now we are adding sound P with letter P. P. Pet. P. Pet. 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 See this S? Letter S gives the sound S. 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 Set. S. Set. 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 What is this sound? The letter B. The letter B gives the sound B. 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 Bet. B. Bet. H. 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 Hat. H. Hat. F. F. Fat. 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 See this letter. R. 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 Rat. R. Rat. What is this sound? Rat. 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 I think I know you know this letter. What is this letter? M. You are correct. M. What is the sound? M. 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 Met. Met. me, me, met, met. Okay. Now again we are going to say the words. Say with me. I will make it hat, hat, bat, bat, fat, fat, rat, rat, mat, mat, pet, pet, cat, cat, cat. See? Set, set, set. Okay, dear children. Now you know the sound a. A. Let's see. Let's ask from our friends. What are the sounds? We'll see. I will ask from our pet cat. Hello. Say the sound. Cat. Very good. What is this sound? What is this word? Hat. Very good. What is this sound? What is this sound? Pet. Pet. Okay, very good. What is this sound? Yes, steady. What is this sound? Bat. Bat. Yes, what is this sound? Sat. Yes, my dear children, you are correct. Sat. Yes. What is this sound? Mat. 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 Yes. Hello. How are you? Hello, Tikka. How are you? What is this sound? Yes. Rat. 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 Very good. See. Oh, Emily is here. Hello, Emily. Hello. What is this sound? Hat. Hat. Yes, very good. Now, you know the sounds of the sound a sound. So, today we have learned the sound a. See, a, ke, ke, he, he, het, pe, pet, be, bet, se, set, me, met, re, ret, he, hat. Yes. Okay. Now shall we sing it like this? Cat, hat, pat, bat. Again say. Cat, hat, pat, bat. Set, met, rat. Set, met, rat. hat, 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 set, mat, sat, bat, pet, hat, cat. Okay, now I think you know the sound eh, eh, eh. Right, okay children. So let's learn another day, another sound. I think you learned this sound well. Practice this again and again. You can learn the sounds. Look at this consonant. We call this sounds. These are the consonant sounds. These are the consonant sounds. F, T, right? These are the vowel sound. Vowels, right? A. Okay. See you again. Goodbye.